So you want to start AI content creation, but you do not know how to go about creating consistent characters or consistent AI characters, then this video is definitely for you. Okay, please watch till the end because I'm going to show you today how you can create consistent characters the easiest way possible. Even if you're just a beginner, you can actually do this. Okay, let's head right into the video. So first, you would want to head over to your browser, type in Google Gemini, and then go into new chat. So since I already did it, I'll just head over to where I typed in the prompt. You can read it by yourself. So generate a hyper-realistic image of a man and a lady in their late 50s, Africans having an argument and 2 kids. Yeah, there you have it. The girl is bigger than the boy in portrait form, so it came like this. But then they were not facing their parents, so I asked it to make them face their parents. So it generated the image of the kids facing the parents. Then I said generate the image of the man with the exact faces with the man leaving, so you can see the man leaving. Then I said generate an image of a beautiful 25-year-old African girl with a figure 8 sitting at a table in a restaurant with a guy, all Africans, and having dinner at a classy restaurant. There you have it. It gave this image of this girl and this guy. Okay, now I said next the guy proposes to her and she walks away. Same location and same people with the same dress. You can see their faces are consistent. It doesn't change. Same girl, same guy, same table. Okay, yeah. Next, you can see that the focus, you see that next I said show her standing confidently with a long human hair wig and makeup done with 5 men standing at her back. Remember, she's a figure 8 and she's dressed very classy. You see that it came here, but I said 5 men, it gave me 4, but if I wanted more I could just say add 1 more guy, but I was okay with this things. This is just for the sake of demonstration. You can see her face is still the same. Next I said show her walking into a church with a high stiletto heel, human hair wig, and a beautiful but decent long green gown. You can see the gown, but she was walking out of church. I could still fix that and tell it make her walk into church, but you see it's the same face and the dress is good enough, so I left it. Next, show her after church talking to a very handsome guy and a beautiful lady in her 40s. You can see them talking, still the same dress, still out of the church, and you see that she's talking with this lady and the guy. Just it gave me the same consistent character and the same body shape. Show a photo of the 2 beautiful ladies at the book fair on a different day talking and laughing. Here you have it. Same ladies. The 2 ladies at the church are the same ladies. Their faces didn't change. That's what I wanted. So that's how you can go about maintaining consistent characters for your videos. Let me show you how the video looks like.
This can't go on anymore.
What do you want from me?
I'm leaving. I'm sorry.
After my dad left, life was never the same, and I started to fear men. Then one day...
So please, if you've been watching up to this point and you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've learned something new. Please give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. Please share so that more people can see this kind of amazing content. Do not gatekeep. Let's share and watch out for my other videos because they're going to be having much more videos like this coming your way. My name is Elma. Thank you so much for watching. Until my next video. Bye bye.